Sonam Raghuvanshi, the wife of late Raja Raghuvanshi, and four other accused in the Raja Raghuvanshi murder case were produced for the second time in the district court on the 19th of June 2025 after completing 8 days in police custody. According to legal representatives, the court has granted an extension of custody for Sonam Raghuvanshi and Raj Kushwaha for an additional 2 days, while the other three accused, including Vishal Singh Chauhan, Anand Kurmi and Akash Rajput, have been remanded to police custody for another 14 days to allow for further investigation. The five are being held in connection with the alleged murder of Raja Raghuvanshi on the 23rd of May 2025 at Waisaudong in Sora.
Sonam is Raj Kushwaha given 2 days police custody, and others, that is Anand, Vishal and Akash, they were given 14 days judicial custody.
Sir, your name designation, please.
My name is T. Chanda and my colleague additional PP, she was there, Jyoti K. Mara from the prosecution side. And from legal aid, Mr. Sudeep Rana and Priti Pradhan.
What is the reason? What is the ground, sir, please.
No, that I can. That is for investigation.